Why are you? There we go. Got it. So, hopefully, is everybody okay with being featured on the YouTube by chance? If not, I understand. We are in the clubhouse as well. This is the best way for me to record it without taking up space on my laptop.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah, no, me neither.
Can
you hear me?
Yep, I get you English.
All right.
All right. I just want to make sure it's gets plugged up. There we go. So we are now live on YouTube. Okay, so Sunday we talked about being objective. We talked about fear. I know I heard Miss Nikki's answers. Miss Pam, she answered, and Aunt Quinn, she answered. So Nikki, you don't have to unmic on this one. I just need to hear from English, and I need to hear from Arena. All right. So for you two, what are some things that what are some things that you're fearful of when you're trading in the market?
I'm fearful of losing my money and making the wrong decision or a poor trading decision, because then it messes with my mental and then I think I don't know what I'm doing again. But it's just a moment in time of trading. But yeah, that's a big one for me.
Okay. English, what about you? Now I want you to write this down too, okay?
My fear is not believing in myself, thinking that I don't know what I'm doing.
Wow, that's big. That's big. Okay. So everybody's objective is getting over the fears that you face in the market. Okay. So for the month of January, your assignment is to identify your fears and attack those fears. Okay. Identify your fears and attack your fears. So that's everybody's assignment for the month of January. I'm gonna let you guys know what my biggest fear is. Not trusting myself when I see the markup clear as day and not letting the trade play out. That's one of my biggest fears. So everybody has fears in the market. I would definitely say go through the PDF on emotion-free trading. And then every Sunday, we will talk about that PDF. So it's in the group. If you go to files, it is not in the group. So let me drop it in there really quick for everybody. Emotion-free trading. I know some of you have it because this is one of the PDFs that I send out to people. And for those on YouTube, if you want it, you can just shoot me a message. I'll go over how you can get in contact with me via Telegram or Instagram. There we go, emotion-free trader. So this is going to be the book, PDF book, emotion-free trading. And you're going to start with section 2, skills you don't need, and read over fear. All right, read over fear. But that's enough on the mindset aspect. Tonight, let's kind of dive into the charts. So Tuesdays are our charting. Everybody is going to have to do a screen share and kind of go through their markups. And we're going to be focusing on structure, okay? Focusing on structure. So I'll start us off and then I'll turn it over to whoever wants to go first. And we'll go like that. So I am on, of course, I'm trading GBP JPY. I am looking at the daily time frame for my trade setup. And I'm going to explain why I am bullish on GJ. So just bring this down real quick, like that there. All right. Put it on the line chart. right there. So this area right here was a point of interest. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Right up here would be my high, of course. This would be my low. This would be my lower high. You see how price broke this low, created a lower low, pull back to retest as a lower high. Everybody see that?
Yes.
All right, so if you take your trend line, you can kind of see how the market does trend in a downtrend from this starting point. All right, now the reason why I took a buy was because I made a note of the previous lower highs that were formed. So this lower high was number one. This area right here, this little mini lower high, here will be two. So can you all see how the market now is trending to the upside, starting down here? Can you all see how it started to trend to the upside because of these lower highs being broken? Price
Yes,
led
I can see
to
that.
a higher high, and then price pulls back and retests as a higher low. Can everybody see that?
Yep, you can see.
All right. So not only that, who can tell me what they see at this next zone down here? How many touches of support or resist, or how many touches of support do we have?
Three.
At least 3.
Three. Great job. So now let's label it. Let's label it. What is this?
That's the support, right?
Good. That's your support, or that's your low. All right. Up here, this was your lower highs. All right. Did price break these lower highs, and what did it lead to?
What was that question again?
Did price break these lower highs, and did it create a new higher high?
Yes.
All right. So that means this will be our what?
New is this is it
Could be new resistance, but let's think about structure. So our new higher high.
okay.
So this area here serves as a what? Is it higher or lower than this low?
Higher.
Good job, Arena. Higher low. All right. So you just take a zone and you go across. Can you see how what we're looking at right now? You see how it looks like that picture in the PDF that you guys received from me? Or see it in the group chat?
Yes.
So now you're able to see we went from a bearish site, a bearish trend, to a bullish trend.
I see it.
Good job. This was the area that you could have had for another buy. I caught a little bit of this as well too. Okay. So currently, this is the area right up here. I forgot to pin this link to the Copy link. And I think somebody has some feedback. Okay, there we go. All right, so much better, much better. All right, so this is our zone here. We include a little bit of the wick. So now can you see how the market is continuing the trend, the uptrend? Can everybody see that?
And breaking structure.
And breaking structure. Very, very good. So now you have what? Proof as to why we're moving in the uptrend. So why do you think I bought here? Because we had the what?
Engulfing candle and the break.
Okay.
And the close above.
Good. You all should also see the PPTE. What do we mean by that? Push. A significant structure. Pull back. So we want to see the break past a significant structure point, period. Close above. Looking for the retest of area. Transition. Possible consolidation. E. Everybody see that?
Yes, I want to take a picture too. And perfect.
See these PDFs, the reason why I giving you guys those PDFs because it's visual, right? Most traders are visual what? Individuals. Most people are visual. Most people are visual. So it's a lot easier seeing the push close above. It created the higher high, right? Here's your pullback. See how the market pulls back and retest that zone and then shoots up and then it comes right back down again to retest it?
Mm-hmm.
You kind of see how you have that little extended W that we talked about. I'm also talking about that on one of the trainings later. Extended M's and W's as well.
So I think sometimes like that first dip down, I'll think maybe that's the retest, and then think that it's gonna continue up from there, but then it gotta come back down farther.
Yep, it could do that. It can do
Right.
that. But again, remember, look at the time frame we're looking at, the daily. So let's look at that on a lower time frame. Let's look at it on the 4 hour. You see how you could have played it off well? Now I could have kept the same zones, but it could have been a little bit different. You see how price reacted in between those two areas right there?
Yes.
See, price can push through all it wants to. Price can do whatever it want to do. What do we see right here?
Retest and support.
Good job. Double bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's probably a wick. Let's take a look and see.
Yeah.
If we zoom in,
Okay. Now I see a double bottom.
see how that wick hits it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Wicks represent what?
Exhaustion.
Very good. I hit it, pull back. Hit it and pull back. So let's talk about fear real quick. Why would I be afraid if I know that the market is going to push, pull back, transition, and eat? It's all up here, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
It's all up here. Remember, what is your biggest adversary in trading? Like, what is on your top? What is on your side? I almost gave you the answer. What is on your side?
Time.
Why would I say time is on your side?
I'm not sure.
Think about it.
Oh, you gotta wait. We can wait as long as you need to for the right entry.
There you go. There you go. Think about it. You want proof. You want proof, right?
Right.
So why not just use time? Let's look at it on the hour time frame. Don't you see the same story being told?
Yes.
This is why I need you all to start sending your markups in the group chat. It's not there for me, it's there for you. That's why you all always see me sending what? Markups. Daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. I entered here because this is what I saw.
Okay.
So you just send the daily, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour.
That's what I use. That's what I use. I want you to do what you use. Because remember,
Oh, the same. I use the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and I look at the daily.
okay. So remember, our trading plans are a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
Our rules are a little bit different.
Okay.
I just want you all to start practicing seeing these moves happen before it happens, or seeing these moves so you can get over what? Fear.
Okay.
It took me a year to get over being fearful of the market. Because I was afraid of being wrong. Here's what being objective means. Being objective means, hey, I'm going to wait for this to happen so I can see the buy. You say the market is bullish? Okay, prove it. Wait for it. Yeah, you're going to get opportunities to sell, but you're looking for what? Buys. Hence your rules. If you recognize you're in a uptrend, wait for proof of the uptrend. Look to the left. Let's look left at this zone right here. Let's see if we broke anything. Boom, there's your proof right there.
That's proof that we're in an uptrend or a downtrend.
Uptrend. That's proof you're in the uptrend.
Oh, okay. All right.
Because in a uptrend, you're looking for a series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, this is a previous lower high. If a previous lower high is broken to the upside, I'm looking at that previous lower high as a new higher low, possibly.
Okay.
Based off the rule of what? English. What rule are we basing our trades off of?
Higher highs, higher lows.
Yep, higher highs and higher lows, but based
Mhm.
off of market
Structure. Yeah. Mhm.
There you go. Based off market structure. Remember, what is the goal of the group? Helping you identify what? What's the goal? What's the purpose of the group? Is to help you as an individual.
What kind of trader I am, I guess.
Yeah, not only that, but also market structure.
Market structure and entries.
Yeah. So at what point do I enter? When I see a break of a high or break of a low. Look for the retest. Take the trade up. That's the purpose of the group. Helping you understand, I only enter into the market when I see this or when I see this, per rule of market structure. So really utilize those PDFs, PPTE, price action and zone trading. It's a visual for a reason because it's really going to show you all of what I'm showing you guys right now. All of what I'm showing you right now. And pretty soon, you all are going to be like this with it. Some of you are like this. It's just getting used to the terminology, which is cool because it's going to take you a little bit of time to get used to it. So once I see certain things in the market, hey, I go ahead and go in for the kill, right? I take the kill shot. I'm okay with letting time go by. I'm okay with using time as my friend. So I'll utilize it daily more so than the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Because one, it's a clearer picture. Two, market structure does not lie on the daily or the weekly or the higher time frames. So once I see it, I take it. We do have an area that price is in a consolidation area. So tonight I am not calling out a trade for everybody. However, I am going to tell you what zones to watch for GJ. So if we get this push up, then this would be the area that I would be looking to get in at for a buy. If I can get this push up like I want to, I will look for a buy around this area. And then my TP will be right up here. 157, 955, somewhere around there. Now, I am really bullish on the pound yen, but this is a high, so it could create a double top and it could drop from here. So what I would tell you guys to do is set an alert right up here. Set your alert right up there. If you want to include the wick, include the wick. Or just go with the close of price. Use a line chart and say, hey, alert at this price here. 158, 682 looks like. Oh, 158, 103. Check my alert. That's what I'm waiting on. All right, so I'm gonna turn it over to you all. Let's practice your markups. All I want you to do, again, the purpose of the group is it's not about being right or wrong. It's about you doing the work and understanding, why am I putting this line here? Why am I putting my zone here? What do I see here? All right, so who wants to screen first?
I'll go.
All right, go ahead, Arena. And I do have to end the call at 9:30, so we got 29 minutes. I have to meet with the team in IM as well. So I wanted to make sure you guys went first, and then I'm gonna take care of them following. All right, where's my settings? There we go. All right, it's on you, Arena. Let's see what you got. What? Oh, this is GJ on the 5-minute. Okay, so what are you looking for on this particular chart? Because I'm gonna let you know right now, the markups are great. Can you identify your areas where you would have bought? I think you're still muted, Arena. You're still muted.
I guess I had to stop to unmute because I was talking.
It's all good. It's all good. Let's do another screen share real quick.
Okay, so can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you loud and clear.
Perfect. Okay, what I was saying on mute was that one of my buying opportunities could have been off of this trend line, the purple trend line, going up. Plus, this is a daily support for me, so going up, breaking that, I could have stayed in it or got in there too. Breaking this structure with this engulfing candle, there's an opportunity to stay in or get in again if I was scared. And then all these little stepping stones up are pretty much TPs. This area is consolidation, a lot of up and down ranging there, which has been a little annoying. And then over here, I'm looking for it to go up. I preferably want to get in off of this blue area, which I want to say that's a 5-minute.
Stop.
What?
Arena, you do realize you could have killed GJ this whole time? Do you realize that?
Why you say that?
Because your markups are great and you're doing this on the 5-minute time frame. Your markups are great. Let's start down. So at 156.004. What else do you see around that area? 156.004. Start down at the bottom. What else do you see right there? Put another box in there. Put a box in between there.
You said 156
Yep, right there, and then go up a little bit more. Zoom in so you can see the candles. All right, move your box up to the close of the candles.
Sometimes it gives me a hard time. Okay.
Keep coming down, boom, right there. What do you see right there? What do you see?
Support.
Good, put it on the line chart. Now what do you see?
Support.
Okay, but specifically, let's talk about your structure points. What do you see at those structure points?
Upward trend.
Nope. Let's think about it. Look at the bottom. What do you see? If you need help, ask for help.
Help me.
Ask everybody in the ask English. English, what do you see at that?
I said help me.
Huh?
Please, anybody.
At the bottom of what? What do we see?
In the zone, at that bottom zone, what do you see? Stop right there.
Where
You
the
don't need to go.
where the rectangle is,
Yep. What do you see?
in the zone or right above it?
Right above it.
High or low?
Nope.
Is that a double?
Come on, Miss Pam. Come on. You got it. Double what?
A double top?
Nope. If it's at support, if it's a letter W, it's a double what?
Oh, double bottom, excuse me.
There you go. Put it on the candles.
Yeah, I can't see the double bottoms like that. I have to see those wicks
It's a
and
wick.
stuff.
It's a wick.
Yeah.
It's a wick. Look at
Okay.
that. Now look at it. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give me another box, and I want you to box where it consolidated and broke consolidation.
Where it consolidated, it broke
Yep.
consolidation.
Yep.
Where it consolidated and broke.
Come down, bring it down, come down, come down, come down. No. Don't look left. I just need you right there where you are.
Oh, right there where one.
Yep. Come down, come down, come down. Bring the line down.
What line?
Oh, I see.
You see it? Look at that. Naked eye. Back over. Stop.
Line down.
Put your box somewhere. Keep going.
I don't understand the directions, Mike.
Bring it. Come down.
I'm just drawing it, and then I'm
All
gonna
right,
move
bring it down. Let's bring it down. Bring the whole box down. Select the box. Bring it down. Keep coming. There you go. Keep coming down. Come down to the top. Bring the bottom back up with the close of the candles. Back up. Stop. You want to include the wicks and the close of that red candle. So no, bring the bottom up. Bring the bottom part up. Stop. Come back down a little bit. Keep going. Stop. Bring the top part down. Top of the wig.
I'm trying, Micah. Hold on.
I know.
It's giving me a hard time. Okay.
Stop. What do you see now?
Okay. Support became resistance became support.
There you go.
Right.
Lower highs being broken. It led to a new low. So you actually got a triple bottom because you had a wick hit that lower zone. It went back up, came back down, wick it again, went back up, came back down, hit it, shot up, created a higher high. You see the pullback?
Mm-hmm.
See that? See that pullback? That one green candle wicks that area. Can you see that?
Where am
Come
over
over to your
here?
left, right there. There you go.
Okay.
It goes up.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You got the markups there. It's there. You see it.
Over
You're just
here and
missing
then
it.
up.
There you go. Now again, all I need you to start doing is marking off your zones, your lower highs, mark them
Mm-hmm.
off, extend it to the right so you can see the break, retest, follow through.
Yes, and I know exactly what you're talking about because that's a good illustration. That picture that I took with the notes on the side, that's perfect because you can see it. It's just right there. So I know exactly what you're talking about, and I see this box. I know it
So
took you
Arena,
forever for you to get it there with
so
me.
so so Arena, why are you so afraid? What are you fearful of?
I don't like being wrong,
You
and
look in trading, it's okay. It's okay because guess what? It leaves another opportunity. You have to accept the fact that you can lose. You're a sore loser. You're a sore loser. Check your ego at the door. Like I'm in my office right now. So my ego leaves when I sit at this chair and I'm looking on the computer. My ego now leaves. Like I know this, but I'm also humbled with it. Why? Because the minute I get big headed, I start using a higher lot size. Guess what? Oh, there goes that fear again.
yeah,
All I had to do was use proper risk management. Wait for the setup. See the setup? Attack. Stop allowing yourself to hold you back. Because that's really all you're doing. You're holding yourself back. Again, I always tell you, your markups are always spot on. Let's go to that purple line, that purple zone, right? Purple one. That was a
Can I
good
show you
area.
something real quick, Michael?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I know how you like the bigger time frames, but like watch how my markup changes as I move it up. So this is the hour, and
Come on
it,
now. Come on now. You see it though.
and then
You see it. You
the
see
4
it.
hour. The 4
Arena.
hours, I can't see the 4 hours so good though. I have to
Arena,
come
yes
back
you
down.
can. Yes, you
But
can.
look at the zone. Look at the zone, Michael. Look at the zone down here
I'm,
now. That
so
ain't
what's the
illustrating the same thing, you
what's
know?
the difference? What's the
A
difference?
lot. A lot for
No,
me. Visually,
it
for me, this is a big difference.
is more time. Think about it. You were on a 5-minute time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, the lower time frame stalls price. So where's it going to happen first?
Where I'm at on the
The
5
5
minute and
minute.
15.
It's going to happen lower before it happens at a higher time frame. I'm gonna give
But
you an A
it's
plus.
live. It's live to me. I like
No,
it
it
live.
didn't.
Like I don't want to
No,
watch
it
the
didn't.
7 o'clock morning news at 5 in
It
the
didn't
evening
lie to
because there's
you.
new news at that time.
It didn't lie to you. The market gave you the setup. The market gave you the setup.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just trying to help you understand your markups.
That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for.
Again, I'm giving you an A plus. I'm giving you an A plus.
Thank you. Now, if I could just get in some profitable trades, I have
Great
been
job.
trading. I traded a little last night and a little today before we hopped on, but I'm talking cents because I had did a 0.01 and we talking cents.
That's fine.
I was in profit for like I think I hopped in like 3 or 4, and I think I lost $1 on one, and then
A dollar.
oh yeah,
Elena.
I'm not tripping because it's a 0.01, so it's
Just
okay.
look. Oh, okay, so
Can I ask
are you
You
trading
know I
live
do like
or are you
nothing
on the
but
demo?
blue though. You know I
You
like
trading?
my all blues, but
You
what's
are you
that?
trading live or are you trading demo?
This is demo. This is demo,
Okay,
Micah.
so
I'm loaded, but yeah, this is demo I'm talking about right now.
I personally, I feel like you're ready. I think you're just in your own way.
I think so too.
I think you're in your own way. At one point, you have to make a decision and say, "But you know what? I'm gonna do this." Again, utilize the group. Hey, look, I'm looking at this chart. This is what I'm seeing.
I am, because I plan on getting in there this week.
So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do
Okay.
it. Let's
I
do
was
it.
going to share my markup, but the Zoom was about to start, so I was just like, I just share in the
That's
class.
fine. Good job. Good job.
Thank
A+ in
you.
your markup. Very good. All right, 917. Who's next? Who's next?
I'll go real quick.
All right, let's go English. After the call individually, I will be texting everybody what each individual needs to work on for the month, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is my USD markup here. So it's been ranging in the channel for a very long time. I kind of been staying away from it.
Okay.
I did take a buy recently, just now, about a couple hours ago, at the 1.13624.
Very good.
So I got
Good.
a zone right here. Was looking for it to break, which it did. So I got a lower high here.
No, not
At
a
this
lower
area,
high. That's not a lower high. That's a what?
lower high.
Nope.
Right.
Higher
This
low.
area,
Higher low.
higher low, higher low. Higher low right here.
You're right where your mouse is. Go up a little bit. No, come back down. Keep coming down, keep coming down. That's your back up, back up, back up. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going up. Stop right there. Put it back on your indicator, higher low, lower high, real quick. Okay, so your higher lows are at the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's a double bottom right there. You also have a break. Man, you know what? I think I could. Let me grab control of your screen real quick. All right, hands off the mouse for me, please.
Off.
Let's put it on. Can you put it on the line chart for me, English? All right. Cool. Yeah, this is a lot better. A lot better. So where this area right here, you can see how cleaner that is, right? This was a lower high. Can you see that? That was a lower high. This area up here is a higher low because this point is higher than this low down here.
Let me grab the mouse for one second.
Go ahead.
Wouldn't this be a good entry right here? So once it broke this area right here.
You could have did a buy stop because I mean eventually price was gonna pass through there.
And
But
go up
I mean
to here.
that's a range in market.
Okay.
That's a range in market. So if I was gonna buy, it'd have been down there, bro, at the white. Yeah, down there. Or even down here. even down here. This would have been a better area to buy too.
And what made you think it wouldn't go lower than that area?
Just because this is a higher low here. This is the new higher low zone.
Because once it reached that area, for some reason, I get very nervous, and it likes to hang out at that area and sometimes retest and drop
Yeah.
past
Well,
it, you know?
Remember, I'm looking for significant structure areas. So for me, I'm always looking to the left side to see if what can I see to the left? Oh, okay, cool. This is what I'm looking at to the left side. So I can drag my zone around it and see it. But like this zone that you have here was not bad. It's not a bad zone. It's just a lot of movement in there. And realistically, if you were to say, you know what, hey, I'm going to wait until we break this high here, that would have been your entry for a buy right there.
I think that zone I made that was so large is because it was really messing me up for months, because you see that consolidation, that's almost 3 months of consolidation. So for me to even try to trade, I couldn't even buy at that underneath that.
Yeah,
because I was so nervous.
EU does that, bro. That's kind of why I got away from EU. That's really why I got away from EU, because I need something that flows. Now, if you go up to a daily,
I can change it for you. Hold on. Okay. All right.
go to the daily. Oh, that's right. You only have the 4 hour selected. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, this would have been good. This would have gave you a better outlook on that, bro. Using the daily. Because now we can't even say like this was a lower high. It's just a lower high on the 4 hour, but realistically, I ought to look down here. I ought to look down there.
Because this is a reversal area.
Correct. This is that's your real lower high right there off the daily. See how price pushed up and created your higher high? Pull back, retest as a higher low. That's probably a wick. Push right back up. You have a double top right here. See?
Yeah.
And then you had a triple top. That's probably a wick. Let's see. Yep. See how I wick right up there?
Yeah. So what would be a reversal indicator then?
Anytime price comes to a daily resistance or support, that lets me know that price is going to reverse. You see how it comes to it and drops? Yeah.
And for it to pop out of that zone to the upside, you would want to see it pop out of that particular zone.
Correct.
So are we in a bullish area at this? I mean, bullish. Are we at a reversal point?
I mean, as long as we break in this little high here, I would say yes. As long as we break it, because over here to your left, you have what?
But you know what that looks like? A bullish flag. I mean, not a bullish flag, a bearish flag.
I mean, it could.
Starting up.
You just gotta wait for the daily to close.
Because look where it's coming from. Look where it's coming from.
Right. So, that we may be moving to the upside on that. Let's go to the week. Not gonna lie, y'all are, there you go right there. So we just gotta wait and see. Honestly, I probably wouldn't even mess with Euro USD.
Yeah.
Because it's not as clean right now. It's not clear right now. Look
You wanna-
at
you want-
GJ.
You want to see? Oh, it's going up.
Yep. Look at GJ. All right, good job, bro. Good job.
All right.
Yeah, shot through that zone.
Yeah, good job, English. I'll give you an A+ too. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, y'all are getting really good at this. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Seriously. Y'all are
you.
catching on to this at your own pace. Very good job. It's 9:26. So Miss Pam, Miss Nikki, I will get you all Thursday. Okay. I'll get you all Thursday. And
I have
Thursday,
a confession though.
What's the confession?
I confess. I somehow did not set a stop loss. I set a take profit. But knowing what I know about GJ, I said, okay, it's gonna go down, but its behavior is it'll circle back. And so,
Cut your loss. Cut your loss. Cut your loss.
well, actually, I'm back in profit.
Oh, you in for the buy then.
So I had a buy and I called myself set my take profit. I called myself setting my stop loss, but that clearly wasn't the case when I woke up the next morning. But so yeah, so it went into drawdown, but then it came back up. So I did cut my loss. Well, I didn't lose. I came out on top. But that's my confession. I forgot to set my stop loss. And
Always use the stop loss. Always.
so that was my confession. I did not have a stop loss.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, you know, next time we trade with what? Stop
A
loss.
stop loss. But I made 50 cents out of it.
Okay. Look, you took something from the market, but the rule
Yeah,
is
it was bad. I didn't do the stop loss. I was like,
trade with the stop loss. Trade with the stop loss. So our next class is going to be on Thursday. Thursday at 8:30. Telegram this is for everybody that's on YouTube that's watching. If you guys like what you saw, Dapper Man Trade. All right, you can connect with me there and we can have a discussion about what you are struggling with and see how we can help you with that. So the purpose of the group is to learn and understand market structure, get over fears, and help you with your trading psychology. All right, so it's 9:30. I got to prepare for our training with the wealth takeover as well. But shout out to these wonderful individuals, Arena, English, Miss Nikki, Miss Pam. Super excited to be working with you all in your trading journey. And we're going to continue to get better each and every day. So the next call is going to be Thursday.
Hold on real quick, Micah. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thursday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will be live on YouTube. So welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share it. All right, so YouTube, I'll catch